Welcome back to Steel Mill Builds. Jumped ahead a little bit here. Got the rear end set up, ladder bars set up. Right now what I'm going to do is set you down, and we're going to do some cleanups on the welds, do a little grinding, get rid of the sharp edges, and then we'll be back in business. We're going to grind that mount on the front as well. And then the body I'll pick up tomorrow from blasting, and we'll seal that. You'll see that in the next video. So I'm going to set you down and we'll get to work. Welcome back to Steel Mill Builds. Today we're going to install the panhard bar. I have some leftover brackets from when I was building radius arms. I've also cut a piece of square tubing that I'm going to notch and attach to the frame on this side, or the rear end on this side. This bracket will get attached here, and then we'll run a pipe across there, a tube across there so that we can adjust it. The reason we're dropping it is because we want to make it as level as possible with the rear end, so that when it cycles, it stays centered as much as possible. So what I'm going to do is take my grinder and make some notches in here and cut that out, set that on the rear end. We'll grind that up clean, drop that into place, and then we'll grind this side and weld that as well. There's the basics of it. I'll do some reinforcements on that, trim this up so that it looks a lot better, and then we'll get a pipe to install in there so we can make adjustments. I'll bring you back when I'm there. Be right back. Okay, here's our panhard bar. You can see it's mounted there, fully adjustable. We'll cap that piece of tubing off once we're all done with everything and clean up the welds and grind everything smooth once we do a tear down. So, see, it's all finished, good to go, and thanks for watching. Bye.